Hey, I'm Brian Van, SportbikeTracker.com, and today we're going to do a product review on the RST TracTech EVO II leather jacket. Retail price on the Tractech Evo II leather jacket is $389. We've got it on the website for a lot less. Hit the site to see what the pricing is. This is a premium leather jacket that sells at a really affordable price. If you've seen the other RST videos that we've done, the gear is amazing, the quality amazing, the price is so fair. You get it in your hands, trust me, your expectations will be exceeded just like mine were. Let's talk sizing first. I'm 5 feet 11 inches tall, 205 pounds, about a 33-inch waist. I am wearing a size 54 Euro in the Tractech Evo II jacket. This does have a removable quilted vest liner, which is in the coat right now. I didn't pull it out, so I'm more of a fair weather rider. When I'm riding, it's nice outside. That liner's probably never going to be in there for me, so it's going to get me a little extra volume inside the jacket. It's a little snug to start, but the mobility is exactly where I'd want it. It moves kind of like a second skin. It fits basically the same way the race suits fit me, so super happy with that. Comes with CE certified armor elbows, shoulders, you can see that shoulder slider, and they also include a CE certified back protector. It's integrated right into the coat, so you get a complete armor package included. Not a piece of foam that needs to be replaced or just an empty pocket. It's already ready to rock even at this price. Perforated up here in the front. All the stretch fabric you see, this is four-way stretch all the way up into the neck. That is going to flow air freely, so your airflow isn't limited to what you see here. It includes all of that fabric as well. YKK, locking zips, and the details on this thing are just stellar. Coat feels great. We've got neoprene cuffs, screen printed logos, storage pockets, hand warmer style, both sides, with locking zips, volume adjuster here at the waist, done with leather, Velcro, and a D-ring, of course. Got a little flap here to help protect your gas tank from the zipper when you're riding in a sport position. Note the coat too does have kind of a subtle race hump. Even on the race suits, RST is only using, more of a medium size race hump. Really adds to the coat. If you want to pick up a pair of their leather pants, you can make a two-piece out of this. Great looking coat. Love the quality of materials, quality of the workmanship, and of course all that integrated armor. If you want more details, stay tuned. I'm going to take the coat apart and give you a look from the inside out. Okay, now we'll give you an inside out look of the RST TracTech EVO II leather jacket. It comes with a removable quilted vest liner. Inside the liner they do have pockets. The one on the left side, Napoleon style with a zip. On the right side, there is a Velcro tab at the top to keep the items you put in there secure. Quality of it looks really good. Stitching's tidy. I mean, everything, once again with the brand, it exceeds your expectations based on the price. The armor that the coat comes with, love this part right here, CE certified back protector, included, already installed in the jacket. Soft shell, CE elbow and forearm. Soft shell, CE in the shoulder. I can say shell, I swear to God I can say it. The jacket itself, subtle race hump. Some of that four-way stretch here is found at the base of the neck. Just helps the jacket move better on your body. Little screen printing there. Some more segmented perforation. Motion panel up here in the shoulder keeps the jacket mobile on you. This really works nicely with the large amount of four-way stretch they use on the coat. Volume adjustment here at the waist. There is a little leather accordion panel. And then to dial this in, we have leather with Velcro. You get to the sleeve of the coat. Got a good looking external slider there. Full leather sleeve. Little screen printing here. Neoprene cuff. TPR detail with Velcro to tidy everything up. Locking zipper. That neoprene feels really good against the skin, and also that mesh inner liner feels good against the skin. You get to the front of the coat. Tons of four-way stretch all the way from your wrist up to the neck, into the chest, and that's really what allows this jacket to fit tight if you want it to fit like that and move well on your body so it's not restrictive. Perforation up here in the front, it's important to note all of this four-way stretch is going to flow air freely. So when you blend this perforation with all this up into the neck area, plenty of airflow is going to be found with this coat. Screen printed logo, quality locking zip with a nice zipper pull. They have a little flap here at the bottom with leather and Velcro to protect the tank of the bike. We have hand warmer style storage pockets with zips both right and left sides. As you get inside the coat, there is a full circumference zip to pants. If you buy the RST leather pants to go along with the coat, you can have yourself a two-piece riding suit. Zippered storage pocket can be found internally on the left side as well as the right side at breast level. And of course, here is the pocket that allows for that CE back protector that comes fitted in the coat to be installed comfortably in the jacket. All in all, what do I think? I mean, at the end of the day, you know I love the race suits. The value of those is amazing. They've been selling unbelievably well because the quality, the fit, and the price are just right where people want it. The leather jacket is simply more of the same. If you're looking for a sport riding leather jacket, this one should be on your short list.